Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce MFA and session policies for admin control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Salesforce account using administrator credentials. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type session settings and select it from the drop-down menu. Review the available session settings and adjust them according to your organization's security requirements. Next, type Identity Verification in the Quick Find box and click on it. Enable Multi-Factor Authentication by checking the relevant options. Scroll down to the User Permissions section and ensure that your admin profile has the necessary permissions to manage MFA. Proceed to the Quick Find box once more and enter Profiles. Select the profile that requires MFA adjustments and click Edit. Ensure the two-factor authentication for admins checkbox is checked. Now, go back to the Setup menu and type Permission Sets in the Quick Find box. Select the relevant permission set you want to modify. Click on System Permissions and ensure that two-factor authentication for admins permission is enabled. Next, locate the Session Settings option under the same permission set. Review the session settings and make any necessary changes for enhanced admin control. To ensure policy changes take effect, save all modifications made to the profiles and permission sets. Finally, encourage administrators to test their MFA setup by logging out and back in to verify they can access the system successfully with the new config. This concludes the process of authorizing Salesforce MFA and session policies for admin control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.